Hey there, today I'm going to show you how you can log into your account on the web and on the app. When you go to ClassDojo.com, you'll click Sign Up, click I'm a Parent, and then you're going to enter your code. Your child's teacher may have sent home a paper with a code to sign up, or sent you an email with a special link to join your class. From there, it'll make sure that that is indeed our child. You can see it says, I'm Steve's parent, and I'll enter my info to sign up for an account. If I had another child add, I could click Add Student and type in the unique code or search for my child's teacher. ClassDojo also translates in over 35 languages, so when I set my account settings to another language, I will see that I can translate captions on class story posts, as well as any messages sent to me by the teacher. You can also download the app, select I'm a Parent, and create your parent account there, or if you already have one, sign in. Now that you're all signed up and logged in, another neat trick is that you can easily toggle to your student account by tapping your icon and then selecting your student's name from the drop-down list. This means you can post for them, or you can hand your device to your student so they can access their account. For more helpful videos, articles, and more, check out the help desk at classdojo.zendesk.com.